Apple Diagnostics for Self-Service Repair, a software tool that enables users to troubleshoot issues, is now available in 32 European countries, including the UK, France, Germany, and the Netherlands. Launched in the US in December 2023, Diagnostics gives users the same ability as Apple-authorized service providers and independent repair providers to test products for optimal parts functionality and performance, and it helps identify which parts may need repair. Apple Diagnostics for Self-Service Repair now supports iPhone, Mac, and Studio display models in 33 countries and 24 languages. Apple has extended its self-service repair program to Europe. This initiative allows users to perform their own repairs on select iPhone and Mac models. The program includes access to genuine Apple parts, tools, and repair manuals. Diagnostic support. Users can now use Apple's diagnostic tools to ensure repairs are done correctly. Genuine parts. Only authentic Apple parts are provided to ensure quality and compatibility. Repair manuals. Detailed repair guides are available to help users through the repair process. Supported devices. Select iPhone models, select Mac models, likely including recent MacBook, MacBook Pro, and iMac models. Sustainability efforts. The expansion supports Apple's sustainability goals. Encourages users to repair rather than replace devices, reducing electronic waste. Extends the lifespan of Apple products. User benefits, greater autonomy and flexibility in repairing devices. Potential cost savings compared to professional repair services. Increased transparency in the repair process. Regional impact. European customers now have more repair options. Aligns with increasing regulatory pressures in Europe for right-to-repair legislation. The program is accessible in multiple European countries. Specific launch dates and participating countries may vary. Apple's expansion of its self-service repair program to Europe represents a significant step towards empowering customers with more control over their device maintenance and promoting environmental sustainability.